Okay, in this video, I want to talk a little bit about how to do Google Classroom in case you've never done it before. Um, okay, so let me just start this process again here. So I'm going to go to classroom.google.com. And probably the trickiest thing here is just making sure you're in the right Google account, honestly. Make sure you're not in your personal account, but that rather you are in your UH account. So I typed in classroom.google.com. It already knows that I'm in my UH one because I am at work right now. So I'm going to click in here. It's going to ask me for my phone and Duo security that someone wants to. Oh my God, you know the last 4 digits of my phone number. If you're watching this video, you might not be, and you would not actually have any idea. That would mean that there are 6 factorial combinations of what my phone number is now that you already know the area code's not 808. Okay, so, but let's say you logged in and it didn't do your UH account. Let's say it's on your personal account. Then what you do is you need to switch Google accounts. You would do that on the right-hand side here. You see a big T here for me. That's referring to my work account. You see here that I have my personal account here. So obviously if I just wanted, let's say my UH one wasn't on here, it was just my personal one, I'd click add account and then you would do your UH account and make sure you're on your UH account. That's basically the way that you will see this classroom and everything. Okay, so the very first time you do this, you're going to need to add the class. So the very first time our class is not going to be there. You're going to click this plus sign and you're going to say join class. Then you're going to type in the class code. The class code for our class is actually in our syllabus. Let's go to it here. Okay, I need these letters here, JH10IN. So I type in JH10IN. It's probably going to give me, I hope it's going to give me an error. Yeah, because I'm already in it. Anyway, this class will appear, Principles of Macroeconomics. Or maybe it's JHLOIN. I don't know. I don't know what that means. Okay, anyway. Just type in the class code, copy it from the syllabus. If you need me to email to you, I will copy it and paste it over to everyone. But here, you're going to see each of the topics and each of the reflection papers. Okay. First one's pretty easy. It's just you introducing yourself. But let's just do what would it look like here? So you're going to see, so I want to view the assignment here. And it's going to show up like this for you. So you're going to read this article, keeping in mind the concept of scarcity. So basically, the way that you're going to organize these reflection papers is that they're going to be 3 paragraphs. And it'd be about a page, maybe a page and a half at most. You can provide references if you want to. You do not need to. If you do, it makes me happier. If you don't, it doesn't make me unhappy. It's just what you chose to do. But basically 3 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, you would give me a summary of the article. In the second paragraph, you would highlight the economic concepts that are in the article. And in the third paragraph, you'd share your viewpoints and opinion. It is that simple. 3 paragraphs. First paragraph, summary of article. Second paragraph, the economic concepts that are in the article. Third paragraph, your own thoughts and opinions. The article itself, I've just taken these straight from the news. I just turned them into PDFs to make them permanent, but you would just basically read the article, summarize it, key concepts, give opinion. Now you're going to write the paper, right? You don't do it here. What you do, I can't look at this as you would see it, but basically you're going to write the paper and submit it. It's going to give you an option of how to submit it. But basically, you could do it as a Google Doc. You could do it as a Word doc. You wouldn't put it under the class comments. You would instead write it to me in a Google Doc, and then you post it there. And then I give you the comments back. And the way we can see this here I see 3 people have written an introduction, so yeah, I guess it's for comments. I guess here you can kind of do it as comments here. Sorry. So okay, so no one's really done it. Sorry, it's just the first day, so it's not like I'm like judging you based on that. But basically, you're doing it as a Google Doc, a Word doc, a PDF, something like that, and you're uploading it here. And if you're not doing it right, don't worry. I'll tell you, especially in the beginning. It's not like I'm going to give you 0 and say, figure it out. I will help you all that you need in the beginning. Just do things on time. Okay, so for these, just like I did for, so only the introduction is due quickly because you're just introducing yourself. I figured that's not too tough. You don't need that much time. But like I did for the assignments, you've got the time to do it. I made them do, again, after the exam. So if there's something you need to wrap up in terms of a homework assignment or a reflection paper, you can do that. But the exam is due at 5 p.m. on that September 30th day for this first part. So exam first, then wrap up anything else you need to wrap up. Okay? But if you have any questions about these reflection papers, let me know. Again, I'm using reflection paper and discussion posting interchangeably. I will give you comments as needed on these.